There is something extraordinary that happens when you put garlic, ginger, and turmeric into pure raw honey. And then you do the hardest thing modern people have forgotten how to do. You wait. Because this is not fast food. This is not instant medicine. This is not a chemical tablet made in a factory. This is nature beginning a conversation. At first, it looks so ordinary: golden honey, a few cloves of garlic, fresh ginger, and turmeric. But inside that jar, a silent transformation begins. The honey starts drawing the juices out of the garlic, the ginger, and the turmeric. Slowly, patiently, the sharpness of garlic begins to soften. The fire of ginger begins to spread. The deep golden power of turmeric begins to dissolve into the sweetness of honey. And day after day, week after week, I recommend minimum of 3 months, because the longer it sits, the deeper it matures. The liquid becomes thinner, the aroma becomes deeper, the taste becomes more alive, and what looked like a simple mixture becomes a living tonic. This is kitchen alchemy. Honey is not just sweet, honey protects, honey preserves, honey carries. Garlic is not just a spice, garlic is a warrior. Ginger is not just a root, it is movement, it is warmth, it is awakening. Turmeric is not just color, it is calm, it is repair, it is deep inner support. And when these forces sit together for weeks, for months, they begin to merge their intelligence. That is why people feel this mixture is so powerful, because it does not hit the body like a drug. It enters like a deep natural force. It helps support the immune system. It helps the body respond better to stress. It soothes the throat. It warms the digestion. It helps calm internal irritation. And it helps build resilience from within. This is not just about one ingredient. This is about synergy. This is about patience. This is about what happens when nature is allowed to do her work without interference. Today, people want instant results, instant energy, instant relief, instant healing. But some of the most powerful medicines in life are slow. They deepen, they mature, they become stronger with time. And that is why this is more than a remedy. It is a reminder that healing does not always arrive with noise. Sometimes it arrives silently, in a glass jar, on a kitchen shelf, while the world outside keeps rushing. Sometimes it simply sits there, quietly transforming. And one day, when you finally open that jar, you are not just tasting honey, you are tasting time, you are tasting nature, you are tasting transformation. This is not just food, this is liquid gold, slowly awakened. If you want more such transformative videos, subscribe and please share this knowledge. Thank you.